Ready to supercharge your TapTap experience with the power of your voice? First, find the voice interaction feature within the TapTap app. It might be represented by a microphone icon, a search bar with the voice input option, or integrated directly into certain search fields. Carefully observe the app's interface. When you've located the voice option, tap on the microphone icon. The app will likely prompt you to allow access to your device's microphone. If you haven't already, ensure your microphone is enabled. Give the app permission to use your microphone. This is crucial for the voice features to work. By allowing access, your voice commands can be heard. Now, clearly and concisely speak your desired action or search query. Whether you're looking for something specific or trying to perform an action, speak naturally but distinctly. For example, find coffee shops nearby. The app processes your voice input and will begin showing the results. It may display the relevant search results or the items on the action menu. Always confirm that the voice command was processed correctly and the app showed what you requested. To optimize your voice commands, try using clear keywords and phrases related to the app's functionalities. Also, you can explore the app's settings, examine these settings, as well as the app's guide to see if you can customize voice commands. See, with these easy steps, your TapTap experience just became a Taptotic adventure. Enjoy the hands-free convenience. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.